everyone,
and welcome to the Sincere Lifestyle.
we have been gone for a little bit, so we want to give you an update of what we've been up to.
Yeah, so here are the deets of what's been keeping us busy.
Yeah, we just moved to sunny California,
As you can see, yes.
and we have been exploring California.
We've been to Napa for my birthday.
It was an amazing birthday trip. We're gonna drop all the content very soon.
Where we stayed at in the footage.
All the deets, so if you want to go to Napa, you'll have an insider look.
Yes.
We also have been working super hard.
Yes.
You know, Karen's an ER nurse.
I'm an ER nurse, a travel nurse, and you'll see actually footage on that, what I've been up to.
And I have been designing for a label, and that has been keeping me busy. But at the same time, designing for my brand, Sincere Gaston.
Yes, and also developing my brand, Sincere Naturals, with the hair care line and skincare line, so look out for that.
Yes, and we'll have tons of content coming at you.
Yes.
Number one, we always love to focus on fitness and easy, attainable fitness that can fit into your lifestyle.
Number two, we're looking for a property here in California.
My
Woo!
goodness.
I'm so excited about that, so you'll see footage about that as well.
And we'll take you on a renovation journey.
Yeah.
And we always love to pair just a fitness lifestyle with healthy eating, so you'll get tons of new recipes coming at you.
Yes. And these recipes are so delicious and healthy. It's gonna knock your taste buds out.
I love that. And last, beauty, but a real focus on natural beauty. How to take care of your skin.
Yes.
And also really clean, effective makeup tips that we
Right.
love to use in our daily lives.
Yes, that's safe for the skin, that's not prone to rashes or breakouts, so look out for that as well.
Absolutely. And just thank you for waiting on us and just joining us in our journey.
Stay tuned, we missed you guys.
Missed you so much.
Bye.
Bye, guys.